Okay guys, so this is the first part of my journey to light my firework. I know my accent is really bad at this moment, but that's because I'm running. Okay, this is war, people, war I tell you. Everybody's shooting. Okay, now I'm running towards Justice Place to get this fixed. I mean, you know, the matches, so I can light the fire. But not in my heart, but on my firework. Okay. Just wait for it. I'll be right there. Woo! Running is hard work, you know. Hell yeah! Venus! Oh man, I am loving this. It's a little bit cold, but okay, who cares? I forgot my jacket, but that doesn't matter to me. Woo! Man, I hope I won't get shut down. But this is okay, I think. I think this is okay. Woo! Quite beautiful, I'd say. Too bad there aren't any blue colors. I like blue colors. Too tired to run. My God. Oh. Okay. Now I'm nearing Justice House place. Good thing he doesn't live so far. Okay, I'm gonna go to his house now. Oh shit, that was beautiful. Okay, good. You can hear the echo now. That means that I'm inside the flattish place. Yes, okay. Second floor. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop recording now, because I'm going to his place. Okay, see you guys. Okay guys, this is still war here. I'm continuing my recording as I promised. We're moving to the battleground here. I got my sticks from my friend Justice's house. There are still fireworks, even though it's 10 past midnight. My accent is still at 100%. That's because I'm still kind of tired from running, but don't matter. That don't matter. Okay. I kind of stopped. Never mind. There's still a few going by. For the confidential sake, I'm not gonna interview Justice on this one. Some people don't want to talk about this, but it's okay. He's right by my side, even though I'm not supposed to say it. We both have our fireworks ready to be lit. We need it exploded, or else it's not gonna be good. Okay, this place is kind of well lit, so it's okay for me. I can see where I need to lit this from. I don't know. Okay, it's Panda Fireworks actually. Kudos to you, Panda. And it's in Chinese. I have no idea why. It says here, 30 shots change dragon. Nice name. Nice name for a little firework. Well, it's still longer than mine, but still it's good. Okay, let's see. Romanian firework. Oh. Okay, we're approaching our target location now, so I'm gonna again stop the recording and set up the camera, because we're gonna film this, believe it. Oh, the ambulance is already going. Here come the ambulance. Wait, sorry for the shouting. But we have casualties already. I told you this was war. I told you. We shouldn't be laughing about this. Okay, anyway, we can still hear gunpowder and other shots going. It's all good. Okay, I'm gonna stop this for now. Bam! Okay, we're gonna film just this one. Run back. Okay, we're gonna film it. You see this little fire? What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh wow, I missed it slightly. Whoops. Oh well, that was just this little fire. It was lit the fire and it went boom. That's good. Okay, now prepare for mine. Yep, Okay guys, we're still in fire zone, but don't worry. I'm gonna lift my fire and blow this firework up. You ready? Don't try this at home. Oh no. You see this fire? Oh, it's failed. Never mind. Let's try again. I'm not really good at fireworks, but once a year I can try. Yes, okay. Remember my accent? Oh shit. Okay, this match failed. Wait for it guys, wait for it. Okay,
I hope you're ready, kids, because this is gonna blow. Literally. Must remain quiet so that the match can be lit. Oh, run away from the sand, from the firework. Okay. Whoa! One. It didn't. Oh my God! It's on the ground. It's on the ground again. It's on the ground again. Oh my God! It's so low. Okay. I couldn't believe it, but it explodes just like me. So, oh, this one's pretty high.
It ejaculated
Oh,
quickly.
Yes. Well, at least. Oh, this one's high. Okay, it's working, I guess. But it's kind of shooting not really high, straight up. So it's kind of scary. But okay, it's nice.
Pasakyk, jeigu virš mūsų pusę.
Okay, I think it's. No, it didn't stop yet. Okay, it's not shooting at us. That's good. Oh, yes. Yes, look at it, baby. Oh, and there's no sound. It's so quiet. Not like those raging fanboys who scream all the time. I'm not talking about me, of course. Oh, look at this one. This one's great. This one's not bad either. And it still doesn't stop. I wonder why. Oh, look at. Oh my God, what happened? Oh, it's not yet. Wait.
Good.
Oh, good. This was nice.
Too much
Yes, this
screaming.
one. Oh, look at that. Whoa, it flew like 90 degrees to the left, to the right. Man, if only it didn't stop, sadly. Sadly, it is over now, man. Our hands are really cold, but at least it warmed our hearts from inside. Now I'm kinda afraid to take this firework, but I guess I will. So this was live, Maxer. If only you could see me, but you cannot because it's so dark. Luckily, you still have my voice. So yeah, and it's done. Okay, and we're starting this live coverage from outside my house with me, Maxer, and my friend, who you will not know ever, but I did mention him before, so you will know him. Okay, bye. Yeah.